Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Health Guide, and in this video I will show you how to change your mobile number on Snapchat. Updating your mobile number ensures you can stay connected and secure your account with the correct contact information. So, let's get started on how to change your mobile number on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. Go to your Snapchat profile by tapping on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of the screen. Here you can find the mobile number option. Tap on it. In the mobile number field, clear your current number and enter the new mobile number you want to use. Tap on the verify option. Now a verification code will be sent to new number that you have just entered. Finally, enter the verification code in the provided field and tap the continue button. And this is how you can change your mobile number on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.